On this video, I'm going to show you how to change the freewheel or the Bendix of the bike. This is an aftermarket one. So let's see how it works out. Before anything, make sure that you have or you get a tool like this, a puller tool. We're going to need as well the right side cover gasket. And also it's very important to lean the bike on the left side so you can put it against the wall so we don't have any oil dripping from the side. It's not necessary to drain all the oil from the bike to do this. We're going to start by removing the connector cover and then the side cover screws and the hose. Then take this one out. When we remove the plastic protector, we have to unplug all the connectors. There are 3 connectors. Then we remove the hose. Take all the screws. Usually what I do, draw on the cardboard. By doing this, I make sure that I don't lose any screw, and then each screw goes back to the same place that I took it from. After we remove all the screws and the hose, we can proceed to remove the side cover. You can just knock it a little bit on the sides to loosen up a little bit, and then you have to pull a little bit with a little bit of strength, because there's a magnet inside that's going to hold the side cover. So this is a good opportunity to take a look at the stator and at the ignition timing sensor, just to give it a look and see if we see anything wrong with it. Now we're going to proceed to remove the alternator with the freewheel housing, which are all screwed together. We are going to need the special tool, the puller tool. Now we are removing the screws to detach the alternator or magnet from the freewheel housing. After we remove the freewheel housing from the alternator, we can take a look and separate the freewheel from the freewheel housing, just to give a little bit of inspection and see what was wrong with it. In this case, the rollers are a little bit worn out.
Mucha rebaba también.
¿Está bien? ¿A tiempo?
Muy a tiempo. ¿Y no, mañana?
Sí.
Aquí ese desgastadito, porque ella estaba desgastado y ya se estaba queriendo brincar ya.
We're going to proceed to clean up all the parts with a little bit of WD-40. And after that, I clean it up as well with regular gas. After we clean up everything pretty well, we are ready to screw the new freewheel housing and freewheel Before we install everything back in, it's very important to clean up all the gasket remains on the engine and from the side cover. So it's gonna be easy to do it before we place the alternator and the freewheel back in the engine. As you can tell, I did it in the wrong way, so I pull it out and clean it up again. We are ready to put the alternator and the freewheel back in. Don't forget the washer. Now we are ready for the final step. We're going to proceed to place the new gasket and then put the side cover back in. Va a medio trabarse con este, mira, con este ahí se va a hacer medio topecito ahí. El resto debería entrar normal. Sí.
Te lo lleva abajo, ¿no?
Ahí está. Adentro.
Ahí está.
Todavía quedó aquí. No, aquí quedó un poco de aire. Ahí está. Ahora sí. Gracias. Put all the screws back in. Connect all the switches. The hose. And put back the switch cover. After this, we are ready to go. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. In this way, you're gonna help me out to grow up my channel and keep this video coming. Thank you so much. Enjoy your ride.